Yo, what's up? Just arrived to the Legian beach to Padma, and today's vlog is all about Padma. This is the Padma beach, Legian beach. I will come back later having a radler in Warung Erika. I hope so she open. So that's the machinery to cleaning the beach and Legian beach life. Nice dog, nice bike, and that's how it looks live. Over here, this is some Pechalan chilling around. We'll see how is the life. The main gate into Legian beach. Some government people, not sure who. Still very quiet actually, not so much life. I don't know. This is the guy. Hello! Check this out, the star of Legian. Padma street remains a little bit quiet, I have to say. I'm not sure, but that's how. Why so bright sky over there? Anyway, I don't know why, guys. 25% people who watching us, and 25% just click the video, and after 20-30 seconds just switch off the video. I don't know, maybe that's because of my voice, or maybe because of my ugly face or something like that. Yo, what's up, doggo? Nice dog, white. Over here, Bali Mandira Hotel. Bali Mandira Hotel currently is open, and there are some cars even. I think there are some guests. This is how it looks, the Padma Legian. Still not much is happening. It's 5 p.m. weekday, but 5 p.m. supposed to be some people. Bali Mandira one more time. Some people driving around. Yes, Bali Mandira. Some restaurant, and I think currently is open because of the chairs outside. Some nice girls, and that's how it looks, the junction. Over here is Padma Legian, the main gate. Padma Legian is currently open again. For many people who asking, they have some. Actually, to my last vlog in Padma, everything is open here. Since that my last vlog about, I think last time I was here when it was so rainy and I was wet. Did you remember that? Here is some new place. I mean, not new place. I think new menu. I think bamboo open. Definitely much more alive here in Legian Padma. Still quiet, but definitely much more alive. Poser bar, pub, it's still closed on Jalan Padma Utara. And I'm gonna hit actually to Padma Utara today, name of the street, by the way, because over there, somewhere over there is Y Bar. I got request for a few mates from Australia about this film, this area of Padma of Legian. Again, I forgot your names. Sorry about that, but at least I do the vlog for you. And here is actually quiet, I have to say. Hold on a second. Here is the poster about Padma. It's open. They have some pool package. And here you go. Where is the Circle K and Kuta money changer? There is already the Y Bar. I was in the Y Bar about 2, maybe 3 months ago. The title of the video is Exploring Aussie Bars in Legian or Kuta, something like that. At that time was quiet, but today I seems it's even more quiet, because at that time was at least one customer. Now is completely nobody here. Y Bar is open, but literally empty. Unfortunately, don't wanna say that, but unfortunately, like that. And that's the street, that's the hotel. Somebody also commented this hotel is very nice. So for you, how it looks the life over here. And this bar supposed to be a full of life at that time. Unfortunately, not today. And that's how it looks the street over here. Some kids playing around. Alright, so one more shot for the Y Bar. For mates who ask me about showing that place, I just doing with another shot to prove as that's me. But unfortunately, guys, honestly, this area of Legian is still very quiet. Don't want to say that. I really, honestly, don't want to say that. That is, look, again, walking on the middle of the street. Going back to Padma again. I mean, not to Padma Hotel, obviously, which is this one, but to the Padma Hotel. As you can see, some guests around, some car. I just want to have a favor to you. If you don't mind, and you like our vlogs, what we do every single day, would you don't mind to subscribe to our channel, because we do vlogs every single day, and still about 65% of people who watching us every single day doesn't subscribe to our channel, which is that's gonna be about 100,000 people, and if only 1% subscribe, only 1%, it's gonna be already a big number for us, and much appreciate. By the way, one more time, Bali Mandira, and I'm gonna come back to you guys on the beach, Legian Beach next to Padma. Till I remember also, don't forget to, if you like our video, if you don't like, I understand sometimes our videos are boring or something, but if you like, please big thumb up like this, somewhere over there in the corner. This is small thing, but it's very, very important. YouTube video and YouTube channel will do not grow if you're not gonna press this button, like go up. I'm back to the Legian Beach, by the way. Parking guy is busy with asking them for the tickets, but that's how it is. That's his job. That's the main gate. Also some street food. Full family on the bike. Hello. Yeah.
I'm parking, yeah?
Yeah.
From India?
Huh?
From?
India?
Huh?
No.
No, kucuk-kucuk tayo.
Okay. Take care, yeah. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah. One more song, please. Come on, my friend.
Girl of a side, to bow it together.
Wonderful, my man. Thank you. Take care. I think I couldn't understand something. He said that I'm from India. And maybe my bad only. This machinery is for cleaning the beach, by the way. Oh, here is some business. 1 second. That's the very nice dog. Nice dog. Here we go. Bakso. Tea. Bakso. Seems like not everybody like saying nice words about someone's dog. It's okay. Anyway, heading into Warung Erika is somewhere here. Which one? This one? Or maybe this gate? Going into Erika. We will see if she still remember me, if she still recognize me. Seems like she's busy. Where is Erika? Bintang time, rather. Yeah, very good, my friend. Check this out. Mrs. Erika is there. Beer o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, Erika. How are you? Yeah. Oh. Many rings. How are you today?
Good.
All good, yeah?
You?
Yeah,
That's
still
my
good.
family.
Oh, hello, how are you? Oh.
I'm another YouTuber here.
Yeah. It's okay? All is good? Okay.
That's my new staff.
New stuff? Ah, very nice, very good. Okay. Yeah, give me a good space for sitting, yeah? Oh, Erika have also the seating. Some people around. Very low tide today. Some surfers, photo session. Very nice. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Yes. And that's how it looks, the beautiful lake. And Jesus Christ, it's so clean to compare to the last time when I was here, guys. It's really clean. And the low tide, very low tide, very beautiful. I nearly forgot. Cheers, guys. Bintang radler. I know, not straight radler, but bintang. But bintang is bintang. Cheers, guys. Yo, what's up, doggo? For every doggo lovers, Bali doggo lovers. Yo, what's up, man? He's sitting next to me now. Why I having the peanut? You like peanut? Do you eat peanut? I don't know if peanuts are good for doggos like you. Many people also asking us past days about vaccination in Bali. So basically now there are 3 green zones, which is Sanur, Ubud and Nusa Dua, and everybody in this area is getting vaccinated. Everybody actually, especially people who work in the tourism industry and governments, and they have a job, they are employed. Every one of them they getting an injection, and also the elderly people, and actually everyone. Also Winnie today, she got her vax. She got the Astra one. If you're interested, because many people are actually asking about that. Unfortunately, she don't really feel well. She got dizzy, headache, little bit fever, stuff like this. Some people saying that after 2-3 days she'll be fine. So I hope so. I'm a little bit worried about her, to be honest. I will also ask Erika. Where is Erika? Somewhere there. And her family about them. Actually, I will ask them now. No.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Malu saya.
Yes. Erika, how are you today? All good? Yes.
Good.
Did you got already your vaccination?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah, not yet.
Why?
I don't know, but the for government that in the bill
Yes.
will not check here. Maybe
Oh.
around another
Because
1 month. Yeah.
because you know Sanur, Nusa Dua, Ubud green zone. Yeah, I don't know about Legian.
In the Legian, maybe no, maybe
Oh.
still long.
Still
but
long.
still red zone.
Red zone in Legian
Yeah,
still?
yeah.
Oh. It's green zone. Look, green zone. It's okay. Yeah, no problem.
Nusa Penida, Ubud, yeah.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah.
I know. How is business? All good? Many people coming?
Slow, yeah.
But
Same
better?
like- huh?
Better or the same?
Same.
Not so good.
Sometimes good, sometimes
Like the life. Sometimes,
no, not like this.
sometimes,
Yeah.
sometimes up
Yeah.
and sometimes down. But on the middle is okay. Okay, thank you, Erika.
That
So,
new red
Erika have a
color.
nice chupangs, the fish.
Yeah, this. Oh.
The new one. And this one,
Yeah.
very big. That's how it looks. Alright, so that's how it looks, the situation. Erika doesn't get yet, but she will get probably very soon. Legian Kuta is not in the green zone. They will probably get later on, but they will let on. Well, what should I say? I don't know. I got a little bit stressed, still thinking about winning a little bit. Cheers, guys. Also, quite many people asking us and thinking about to come to Bali, and now everything come back, going slowly back to normal. I mean, tourist visa is still closed. You are not allowed to come on tourist visa, free tourist on arrival. However, the offshore visa is open again, like was before Christmas, before December. For a few months, the offshore visa was open. So basically, you can apply for the visa like business visa or something like that. And you can come to Bali. You can do it through the agency, and it's many visa agents in Bali, and also they help you with everything. Basically, you just pay them. The cost is about, used to be about 7-8 million for the transaction. I'm not sure how it's now, probably similar. Also interesting fact, as my friend who is living in Thailand, she said as the Phuket should be open in July. That's the government plans of Thailand, obviously. I know it's not Bali, but maybe if somebody is interested, also this probably will co-work together with Bali. I hope so. Let's see what the future gonna brings to every one of us here in Bali, who are in Bali and who used to planning to come to Bali. Have to stay positive. Positive thinking and positive mind always. And thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed. Thank you for watching yesterday's video about our life. I hope so you also enjoyed. And see you tomorrow, like always. See ya, take care, 4 p.m.